Hi friends. Today we are talking all things Kinkysweat. If you don't know who Kinkysweat, aka Alicia, is here on YouTube, you are going to learn all about her. And if you do know who she is, then you probably love her just as much as I do. And we're going to be just celebrating her YouTube journey, highlight a couple of things, and just fanning out over our friend. Alicia calls us subscribers fam all the time, so I'm going to be referring to us as fam as well. I got this video idea from Smokey. She has a series on her channel called The Evolution Of, where she looks at different YouTubers or brands and analyzes their content and their journey either in the business world or on YouTube. And I thought, what a great idea, and I would love to have the opportunity to do that, to highlight and showcase creators that I personally love. Especially now it is Black History Month. I'm not really one to say that we need a month to focus on those who've done great things for our community, but it is a time where other people are paying attention, so maybe we can capitalize on that and take the time to feature accomplishments. I'm going to be doing a whole series of videos like this throughout the month, hopefully moving forward. So definitely subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with anyone you think may need to hear about all the good things that Kinkysweat adds to our YouTube community. I am nervous to do this video because I want to do it and her justice. And fam, I want to make you proud too. Alicia made her first video back in 2011. It was a hair tutorial. She borrowed a camera from her friend, and a lot of people asked her about how she cared for her hair, so she wanted to take the opportunity to make a video about it, and that was her first video here on YouTube. You saw her character and her uniqueness and the flair that is Alicia, that is Kinkysweat, in that first video. She said, if you want to go from looking like this, and did like kind of like a lion's roar, to this, which was the normal before and after look. But that just brings me to my first point about Alicia that makes her so special, is she is truly unique. She brings things to the table that not many other people do, like just little aspects of the way she communicates and stylizes just who she is.
First time here, hi, I'm Alicia. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you are returning, well, thank you for visiting me again. Kinkysweat stands for my kinky hair and style life. I'm a fitness professional who loves things all and beauty. If you want to check out what I do in between the makeup, to get head over to my Instagram.
She's just very unique, charismatic, endearing, but I digress. So she started her channel based on hair. So from 2011, when she made her very first video, it was June 19th, 2011. She made 83 hair videos. From there, she took a break. She was not on YouTube for almost 3 years, from October 2013 through June 2016. And sorry, I'm looking at my notes, not at you, but yes, I took notes, fam. I took notes. Like I said, I want to do this justice, but you know, not only do I watch Alicia and love her, but there's just something about her that just made me want to just go in depth and really analyze her. And so that's what we're doing here. But anyways, so she took a break from 2013 until 2016. She came back. She made a video explaining why she was away and what she had been getting into. She had a new camera, and then her next video was, of course, a hair update. How can you put 83 hair videos and then not give an update on hair? But right after that was her first makeup video. You know, in her welcome back video, she explained that she has a love of makeup. She loves to incorporate everything. She wanted to be able to incorporate all of her loves on her channel. She loved hair, she loved fitness and movement, and she loved makeup. And so she didn't want to be put into a box where she had to do one of those things. She wanted to be able to do them all. And she thought, well, if you love makeup and if you love fitness, well, then I'm your girl. So she really started to break into the type of content that she wanted to make and was happy to make. So her first beauty video was broken up into 2 series instead of doing like a full 30-minute get ready with me. It was like broken up into 2 different sessions. So she started to sprinkle in her makeup videos, and you know, they got a few hundred views, not as many views as her hair videos were getting. She also started doing some videos about her flexibility and her journey with, you know, just learning to be flexible. And that was actually like one of her highest videos. At the time I'm filming this, she has made 754 videos in all. She's had 8.69 million views. She has 79,800 subscribers. Her top 10 videos, 4 of them are workout related, 3 related to flexibility, and 1 how to work out at home. The highest viewed video is how to train middle splits. So this is obviously something that people wanted to know about, and so she was serving it up. So she has 2 hair videos in that top 10, 1 skin related videos, and 3 Pat McGrath videos. So those are the top 10 highest viewed videos on her channel. So her videos went from phases. She went from doing all hair videos, then she took a break, she came back, she sprinkled in some makeup videos, she sprinkled in some fitness and flexibility videos, and then she started dabbling in a lot of different things. She was doing anti-hauls, favorites, Sephora sale, brushes. At the time she started makeup videos, she did both drugstore and high-end. Once she started reviewing some of the high-end makeup, I would say her channel seemed to really start to pick up momentum and a lot of views when she started reviewing things like Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. And I think those are really her favorites. If you have watched any of her Pat McGrath videos, which you probably have, if you haven't, you need to. She goes into so much depth explaining different shadows and the colors and why she loves them and how they work together. She gives us all different kinds of looks, and her passion comes through when she's talking about these things. She just loves it so much, and we in turn love her for it because we learn so much, and her love and her passion is contagious. The keywords that she has on her channel are styling, how-tos, curls, tutorial, rake method, beauty, Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona, eyeshadow palette reviews. So I feel like those are the things that she wants to be known for, because those are the things she chose to put as the keywords on her channel. You know, she's just so humble. As far as the channels that she features on her YouTube page, if you look at all the people that she loves and recommends on her channel pages, I mean, they go from subscribers in the tens, like 30 to 50 subscribers, to the millions. So I feel like she doesn't just overlook small YouTubers. She values small YouTubers as well as large YouTubers and promotes them via her page. So that's just something that really shows her character and who she is. Let's see, so she started, I would say, phasing out of hair videos around the middle of 2019. She had a collab in the middle of June that was a hair routine swap, and then after that she really didn't do that many hair routine videos. So Kinkysweat had her first live December 20th of 2019, and it was really just a sign of her being able to keep with the times and keep current and stay relevant and just deepen the connection that she has with her community. It was really just like sitting talking with a friend about makeup and life, and it was exciting and just so much fun. And it kicked off a weekly series where she did Friday Night Lives, and she also started interviewing people. She featured a couple different guests on her channel. She teamed up with Kelsey Brianna J and Glam Girl Chelsea to do a series they titled Behind the Beauty. They interviewed different guests and they featured people like AJ Crimson and Lisa J, Armani Beauty, Vicky Posley. During the first live she had back in 2019, it was pretty funny because she was talking about merch and she was wearing a beanie that she got from Alias of Brooklyn. Just the idea of merch came about in the chat, and she was like, I don't know what I should do, and you know, I'm not sure. Fast forward a year later, she came out with her merch. One of the items was a beanie with her saying hi Frenzzz. Came out in multiple colors, limited edition fanny packs, and some custom hand-dyed flannels. And so she just really talked about not wanting to have, you know, cookie cutter merch. She wanted something that was going to reflect her style. She had her parents model the beanies for her Instagram, just stating, with the whole beast that Instagram has become, she wanted people to know that you didn't have to be a quote young hot thing to wear her merchandise. She had her first 2 vlogs at the end of 2020, and it was just really another way to explore her creativity and a nice sneak peek for us to see more aspects of her life. We may be seeing a few signs of Alicia questioning where to go from here. One of her recent videos, I feel like we were getting the sense that Alicia may be questioning some things about where she's at in life and what direction her content should go. And the reason I say that is she just mentioned her age and her choices in life. You know, she just turned 36. Happy birthday. She lives with her parents. She doesn't have kids. She talked about watching her friends with their kids and just feeling a little bit anxious. And you know, there are different pressures that different people or society or whoever puts on women and that we put on ourselves because of those things. And I just feel like those things can be hard to go through, but she can definitely work through those things, and she has a strong fan base now, and I feel that no matter what direction she decides to go, we're going to be there rooting her on. No matter what type of content she makes, she is going to bring her personality, she's going to bring her thoughtfulness and her creativity and her intent to make the best product that she can. And so hopefully she doesn't put too much pressure on herself to rise to a certain standard, because in our eyes she's there already. I think that she's one of the underrated beauty content creators. She talked about maybe not making her reviews as in-depth because people may not watch them. You know what? One of the things that we love about her is how in-depth she goes, and that's what timestamps are for. If there are people who want to get straight to a certain point, put it in a timestamp and let them skip ahead. But I just think that Kinkysweat is definitely someone to watch. She's definitely someone who's going to keep continuing to bring us the type of content that we all crave. She is someone for us content creators to model our efforts and work ethic after, and just for consumers who don't have their own channels. She is just a joy to watch, and someone who you could almost consider a friend even though you don't know her. If you haven't discovered Kinkysweat before today, make sure you click the link, check out her channel, subscribe. You're going to be pleasantly surprised with what you see. As for me, I will be showcasing different content creators throughout the month and just celebrating the accomplishments that Black content creators contribute to YouTube. This is Black History Month. These creators are making history, and I think they are to be celebrated. So I thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you love about Kinkysweat, or who your favorite content creator is here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style.